Hello and welcome to Have Fun Cooking. Today I want to talk about the Galanz air fry microwave. This is a great tool to have in your kitchen. This takes the place of an air fryer, and also if you don't have a convection oven, it gives you the convenience of convection oven too. This microwave is 900 watts and this is what it looks like on the inside. Nice capacity. And it has presets up here that you can follow. And here are the presets. It has bake, air fry, roast, microwave, because this is a microwave, convection, and a combo, microwave and convection combo. Now one of the first things you want to do whenever you get your microwave is you want to set the clock. So this is how you set the clock. First thing you want to do is, here's the clock timer button. Press and hold it until it says 12 an hour. Okay, there it is. So you want to set this. So you would press the plus sign. Okay. And then you hit it again because you want to set the minutes. There. The minutes, let's say it's 3:05. There. The clock is set. All you do is hit this again and it's set. You see that it's set because you see the dots blinking there. And there it is. That's how you set the clock on your Galanz air fry microwave. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for future videos. Thanks.